Hello guys, it's freezing cold outside and my fingers are always shaking, so it's hard to get smooth footage. That's the reason why I bought this funny thing here. It looks really strange, and yeah, I will test it today if there is enough place inside for the sticks. And yeah, the first thing I noticed is there is no hole or something for the neck strap, so you have to sit down, and yeah, that's pretty bad because you won't sit down on cold days. So I guess I will try to make a little hole here. The hole is done. I made it with the soldier iron. Yeah, I think this should work. That's it, guys. I would say it works quite well with this hole. Otherwise it's not really usable. Maybe if you fly with thumbs you can hold your transmitter, but I'm pinching so I can't hold it really good and I need the neck strap. But The good point is I don't got cold fingers. You can fly pretty well without shaking, and you have enough room inside. Yeah, it could be better, but for this price, I guess $10 or something. I will link it in this description. I definitely will use it in this cold month. So, happy flying, guys. Bye.